challenge. You wet me. You are the blue line.
Okay.
Hey,
what would you like today?
Just a second. Okay, I will do a tall non-fat latte with caramel drizzle and an iced sugar-free vanilla latte with soy milk and
Soy milk?
non-fat frappuccino with
Sweet
extra
bitch.
whipped cream and chocolate sauce. Maybe this will help me feel
Will that be all?
Yes. I
Bitch.
swear that I should have my own reality.
No, you shouldn't. Is that a bitch name?
Hold on 1 second, Karen. It's Eliana. It's just stupid.
Okay, your total is 41.72. I'll be ready soon.
I wish you could just feel as bad as I do, you know?
Karen, your order's ready.
Wait, Karen?
Yeah.
My name is Eliana.
I don't care. I mean, you look like a Karen. Bitch.
Okay. Next time I'm going to Dunkin' and I'm gonna tweet about this.
I don't care.
Acting challenge. I may give feedback on your
I
video.
won't.